Okay, so I'm going to start recording right now. Okay, let me make sure we don't have any questions. All right. So this video, like from here on till I finish this example, is going to be one that goes up on YouTube. Okay, so just a short one you can go back and rewatch. All right, so if that was our sequence, okay, we should be able to see that the pattern here is adding 4. Okay, every time we move, we go up 4. Okay, so that means that our recursive equation, that's the long one. Okay, that one's going to start with the first, remember we got to give the starting point. First number of the list is 2. And to get any other number, you just take the number before it, and then you add 4 to it. Okay, remember this part here in the middle, it's in every single one. You have to write that. It has to be in there. It's going to look the same every single time. Okay, the only thing that we care about is that and that at the end. Put those in a different color. All we care about is the beginning and the end. Okay, it's what number you're starting with, and then what you're going to do to it to get the next one. Questions on that at all? I'll put it back up right now. But any questions so far about the recursive formula? This should be, again, it's like stuff we've been doing. Okay? And again, the only way that you're going to get like to be perfect at doing this is by practicing it. Okay, so that's why I'm making you do this again on your practice quiz so that you can practice doing this, okay? And then now, so the explicit equation, okay, the explicit one now is the one that should be in mx plus b form. That's where we have to get the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so if you guys remember, the slope is the pattern. What it's changing by every time. It's the rate of change. All right, and then remember now the y-intercept is what we get when we go backwards right here. We have to go backwards from the starting point to see what would have came before it. Right, so 2 minus 4 would be negative 2. Whoa. And so that is our y-intercept. Okay, so in this one, we needed 2 numbers. The 4 came from the pattern. Okay, the minus 2 was just the very beginning, like what would have came before the start. That's your y-intercept. If you think about it, it's like this, the very, very start.